This 2015 Palomino Puma 30 RKSS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Palomino is 33 feet 10 inches in length and features sleep 6, refrigerator, water heater, skylight, LP detector, air conditioning, self-contained, TV antenna, awning, DVD player, smoke detector, and 51 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2015 Palomino Puma 30 RKSS is 6,997 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.